my lens dirty still? Yeah, that looks good. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of This versus That. Last week we were invited out to do a shoot at a Chinese New Year celebration. I brought my Zhiyun Crane Plus along with my Sony a6500 and my Sigma 16mm. Love that lens. So I want to show you guys that film right now. Roll it.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. The most of this night, come on baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
Blue team, blue team. The gold team, who's the gold team? Let me see the gold team. Man, you guys, y'all need some coffee this morning. That's so close.
That's so sick. Oh, my camera's gonna break. So there you have it, guys. That is my setup with the Zhiyun Crane Plus a6500 and the Sigma 16mm f1.4. I love that setup. I think I'm gonna be using it from now on. So, hope you guys like that. Hit like if you do, and make sure you subscribe to us if you haven't. And we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.